Today I will draw the lucky winner for the first of the giveaways for this resume, but that will be later in the video because first I will unbox two brand new watches to the channel. Let's start with the big package. No, let's start with a small package actually. So the small package from Proxima. And what am I wearing under my tight cuff today? Yes, it's my new Farah suit and I love it. Look how thin it is. Sorry for all the grease. I will clean that out for the review. So back to the Proxima that we're unboxing. Wow, I do like actually patina on my watches. And if we take a close look, this will not be a review, the review will come later, but they are raised, they're like 3D shapes. Really cool. Despite unwrapping so many watches, I never seem to get better at it. Wow. Too many unwrappings for me, eh? Oh, they actually have those pull tabs to make it easier, so... Oh, oops. So, just initial impressions on this watch. I still have a few stickers, but... Initial impressions. They have made some upgrades. The clasp, we can see that they actually have integrated some kind of their logo or initials. PR, like Proxima. Really nice addition. Looks better than nice. It does have this... Wow. Yeah, it's very satisfying. And we have the bracelet. It's the second upgrade on this model. We can see that it's a 5-link bracelet. Nice to see. I love curved sapphire crystals. That's what we got here. And we got a curved sapphire bezel as well. Okay. So 24 clicks. Yeah, I'll comment more on this one once it's time for review. I'm just happy that I can start to wear it. The second unboxing from AquaTrident, the same company that sponsored this giveaway. And we got a bunch of accessories. Got the rubber strap, which means that there is another strap on the watch itself. Warranty card and all that. I'm sure you've seen it all. This, I don't think you've seen it. It's their new bronze diver. And this one actually has, yeah, this one has Damascus dial and Damascus bezel. Wow, it clicks really nicely. And let me just tell you, I love these hands on this watch because they have them on their other bronze watch. And during this review, this was actually the best finished hands I've had on any of my watches. Nice to see them here again. Come back for the full review because I will do macro shots right now. Are they still up to the same quality? I don't know. We will figure that out in the full review of this watch. Oh, nice. We have a whale guy. Some extinct animal, I guess. Because I don't think I'd ever take another dip in the sea if this is not extinct. But really nice to see initial impressions. It comes with those quick release. Yeah, it does. Because that's the same also for the rubber strap that comes with it. So you should be able to swap swiftly and efficiently between those two. Those are my first impressions for the two new watches. And finally, we have come to the giveaway. I know it's a bit delayed. Sorry everyone who has been waiting. But I was on vacation and finally I'm back. So yeah. Let's pick the happy winner with the help of my random picker tool. And the Pirate Casey. These are all beautiful watches. Hope I get lucky. Merry Christmas. Thank you, mate. I will just verify that you fulfilled the other 2 steps and I'll get right back. Alright, big congratulations, the Pirate Casey. Happy New Year to everyone. And yeah, the Pirate Casey, feel free to message me on riology@gmx.com. Email me and we will verify together that you are the actual owner of this YouTube account. And after that, I'll ask for your shipping address and ship the watch to you. So big congratulations. And to everyone, I wish you again an amazing 2025. And if you didn't win, don't feel sour because there is another giveaway coming up very, very soon along with its full review. The Watch Dives VDWD0005. Yes, this watch actually has some very nice features, and for the price point, there are some things I really want to highlight about this watch. We'll get that in the review, so stay tuned for that. And for now, the Pirate Casey, big congratulations to your win. I hope you enjoyed this watch a lot, because I won't be able to enjoy it myself. I do have the same watch actually, but with a mineral glass. Now it has a sapphire glass, so congratulations. And you got the nicer color, to be honest, so enjoy, man.